Topic 1: Federal Reserve's significant 50 basis point rate cut and its implications for the economy and stock market. Analysts suggest that the Federal Reserve may implement a substantial 50 basis point rate cut next week to support the economy and aid job growth. While investors widely expect a rate cut during the Fed meeting on September 17 to 18, the extent of the cut remains uncertain. Recent disappointing employment figures have heightened concerns about a slowing labor market, leading to fluctuating market expectations. Currently, traders see a 75% chance of a 25 basis point cut and a 25% chance of a 50 basis point cut. Meanwhile, the stock market showed an uptick on Monday after the S&P 500 recorded its worst weekly performance of 2023. Additionally, Norfolk Southern is investigating inappropriate workplace relationships involving its CEO, and Boeing has reached a labor agreement with a union representing about 33,000 workers to prevent a strike. The U.S. economy added 142,000 non-farm jobs in August, with the unemployment rate slightly dropping to 4.2%. Although the stock market is often seen as a predictor of the future, the current economic situation appears to be better than what the stock market suggests. Topic 2: Google's advertising operations face legal challenges over monopoly concerns. Google is facing its second antitrust lawsuit, this time concerning its monopolistic position in the advertising technology industry. The U.S. Department of Justice and several state governments claim that Google has built and maintained a monopoly in connecting online advertisers and publishers, allowing it to charge up to 36% in fees when brokering sales. Google counters that these claims are based on outdated internet practices, arguing that advertisers now have better access to audiences through social media companies like TikTok and streaming services like Peacock. The lawsuit is set to take place in Alexandria, Virginia, and will be decided in a court trial rather than a jury trial. Previous rulings have found Google's search engine to be illegally monopolistic, and the outcome of this lawsuit could require Google to divest its advertising technology division. Topic 3: China's move to issue euro-denominated sovereign bonds in Paris as part of fiscal system reforms. The Chinese Ministry of Finance announced plans to issue euro-denominated sovereign bonds not exceeding 2 billion euros in Paris on September 23rd. This decision follows a series of measures announced during the 20th Central Committee's third plenary session aimed at reforming China's fiscal and tax systems to establish a modern financial system aligned with Chinese modernization. The new round of reforms aims to create certainty in economic and social development while preventing and mitigating cyclical risks. However, challenges such as insufficient economic recovery and increased rigid spending due to various goals are putting pressure on finances. Issues like optimizing the allocation of financial resources between central and local governments, improving public satisfaction, and integrating fiscal authority are also present. To address these challenges, the central government must lead the reforms while maintaining coordination among fiscal elements. Tax departments. Topic 4: Big Lots facing bankruptcy with plans for sales and store closures. Big Lots, a U.S. discount retailer, has agreed to file for bankruptcy and sell itself to private equity firm Nexus Capital Management for approximately $760 million, which includes $2.5 million in cash and debt. The company has struggled due to inflation, high interest rates, and a decline in consumer spending on home goods following a surge during the COVID-19 pandemic. Big Lots operates over 1,300 stores and plans to close about 300 locations to cut costs and improve its financial structure. During the bankruptcy process, the company may entertain higher bids from other buyers through an auction. Big Lots stated that this move would help secure financial stability and enhance operational efficiency.